Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar. In this video, we are going to solve this problem. This problem is regarding the electromagnetic waves and the transmission lines. So, especially it's a transmission line concept. Okay. So here, a two-way transmission line terminates in a television set. The voltage standing wave ratio VSWR means voltage standing wave ratio measured on the line is 5.8. That means VSWR can also be taken as a yes, that is given as a 5.8. Next, the percentage of power that is reflected from the television set is okay. That means if I am taking a television set, the two-wire transmission line terminates. Okay, that means a two-wire. It's a two-wire transmission line. Okay, and the voltage standing wave ratio measured on the line is okay. So across this line, VSWR is 5.8. Next, the percentage of power that is reflected from the television set is. So if you want to understand, generally according to the formula, we can take down that it's a reflection coefficient modulus of reflection coefficient square into 100. Okay, it is the percentage of power that is reflected from the television set. Okay, so but what is the VSWR is that if I'm taking any one transmission line, if the voltage is traveling into this transmission line, then there will be some impedance mismatching. Okay, that means at this point I will be having the impedance Z1, and at this point I will be having the impedance Z2. Okay, and at this point I will be having the impedance Z3. So whenever the impedance mismatching is happened, then certain amount of voltage will be reflected back. Okay, so if you want to get the complete voltage has to be transmitted from here to here, then this entire transmission line must be have the same impedance. Okay, it should not be the varying impedance at each and every point. If your transmission line is having the varying impedances there at each and every point, then my voltage, so if the voltage is traveling like this, some voltage will travel and some voltage will be reflected back. Okay, let's take it is a traveling voltage, and it will be the I will get it, it will be the reflected voltage. It is a traveling voltage that is moving in this direction, and it is a reflected voltage that is moving in this direction. So this VSWR, that is voltage standing wave ratio, can be defined as it describes about the amount of power reflected back from the antenna or reflected back from the devices like this. Okay, so why they are reflecting? Because due to the impedance mismatching in the transmission line. Okay, so now this VSWR, see, while coming to the percentage of power that is reflected from the television set. Okay, here I said that formula is like this, and here this term, this tau, can be taken as tau is a reflection coefficient. Tau is a reflection coefficient. Okay, so reflection coefficient means tau can also be taken as the amount of voltage reflected divided by the amount of the incident voltage. Okay, it is a reflection coefficient formula. And this tau, that is reflection coefficient in terms of VSWR, that is S, can be taken as tau is equal to S minus 1 by S plus 1. Okay, so it is the relation between the reflection coefficient and this voltage standing wave ratio. Okay, so now yes, that is voltage standing wave ratio here given as a 5.8. So that is 5.8 minus 1 divided by 5.8 plus 1. It becomes is equal to 4.8 divided by 6.8. So that becomes equal to 0.7058. So now I got the reflection coefficient as 0.7058. As I said, that reflection coefficient is nothing but the reflected voltage divided by the incident voltage. See here, reflected voltage divided by the incident voltage. So from this thing I can take that VR is equal to 0.7058 into VA. That means out of the VI, if VI is 1 voltage, then 0.70 voltage is reflecting back. That means only the forward going voltage is only the 0.3 voltage. Okay, so always this reflection coefficient must be as less as possible. Then we can say that the given transmission line is a very good transmission line. Okay, but anyhow, while coming to the problem, the percentage of power that is reflected is, okay, percentage of power that is reflected can be taken as tau square into 100, where I got tau as a 0.70. Okay, so if I substitute here 0.70 square into 100, then I will get approximately 49%. Okay, so that means here the answer is 49% is reflecting back. So if 14% is reflecting back and only the amount of voltage, so here it is a television, right? So if the 49% of voltage is going back, then that means only 51 voltage, sorry, 51% of the power is only going to the television set. Okay, so it is the concept regarding the VSWR and the reflection coefficient, and the reflection coefficient expression, and the relation between the reflection coefficient and voltage standing wave ratio, that is S. Okay, so please note this concept, and this concept is helpful to solve such type of problems. Okay. So if you like the video, please give me one like, and subscribe my channel if you're not done at, and share to your friends and GATE aspirants. Thank you.